Hey guys, so this is going to be a short little tutorial about how to install synthetic dreads, specifically double-ended dreads. I've had a few people ask me this, so I just thought I'd make it clear. It's super easy, it's just time-consuming when you have so many dreads, so yeah, you don't need to worry about it being complicated, it's just making the time for it. Oh, and quick update. I got some lovely new dreads. They turned out freaking awesome. I'm super happy with them. I can't wait to watch them grow. But yeah, let's get to it. So since all of my back is in real dreads, what I'm gonna do is separate it. You guys would have to do this too, obviously, but I'm gonna be doing it a little differently than what you guys would probably be doing. My hair is so long, it's like super hard to work with. And I try to go for like a bricked look, but I'll just explain this as I go. There are like plenty of tutorials out there that show you the full time lapse of putting these in. I'm going to be putting the last set I had in back in. These are my tarantula inspired ones. So what do you do is, okay, also you're going to need this, something to like divide your hair, and rubber bands. So what you do, you're going to have it in the center of the dread. This is a double-ended, so basically you're getting two dreads in one in the long run. Basically, you're just going to have it here, and it's a lot nicer when you can clip it. But yeah, you're going to clip that, separate your sectioned off piece evenly into two parts. The dread will go in the center between those, and from here on you just treat it as a braid and treat the dread as the third part of the braid. You braid all the way down. It takes a while because I have really long hair for this. When you get to the end, what you're going to do is take a rubber band. You can get these at Sally's. Of course, stores actually have stronger ones, so maybe go there if you have anything like that near you. Otherwise, you can get them at Sally's. They just break easier, so if you use the ones there, I suggest using more than one rubber band if you want them to stay for, you know, the full time length, which, you know, I've got these to stay in for like 2 months, so it's totally your preference though. Once you tie it off on the bottom, you're going to want to tie it off on the top as well. And yeah, there you go. There's your first thread. Ooh, that does not stay like that. That's it. It is a simple braid, and just rubber banding them at the top. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, please do ask. This is just a quick thing I'm doing since somebody requested it. So, yeah, let me know if there's anything else or if you have any other suggestions for me. Have a nice day, guys, and stay spooky.